Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, so are we ready for today's lesson? Good. So today in basic technology, we are going to be learning about introduction to basic technology. Okay, our topic in basic technology is on introduction to basic technology. Okay, we're going to be learning about the fundamental concepts of technology and its significance in our modern world. We will explore the evolution of technology from ancient times to the present day, helping us understand how it has shaped our lives and the world around us. Okay, so let's go over to knowing the meaning of technology. Technology refers to the application of knowledge and tools to solve practical problems and improve our lives. It encompasses a wide range of innovations from simple tools like the wheel to complex systems like smartphones and the internet. So, technology is a broad term that encompasses the application of knowledge, tools, techniques to solve practical problems, achieve goals, and improve the way we do things. Technology often involves the creation of tools and inventions, ranging from simple hand tools like hammers to complex devices like smartphones, computers. So now we are going to be looking at the importance of technology. Technology plays a crucial role in various aspects of our lives, right? It has enhanced our quality of life by making tasks more efficient and accessible, right? So, the importance of technology, solving problems. Technology is essential for solving a wide range of problems. It finds ways to produce food, cure diseases, allows engineers to build safe bridges, and helps us access information quickly. Efficiency. Technology makes our life more efficient. Machines and tools help us complete tasks faster and with less effort. For instance, a washing machine can clean clothes more efficiently than washing by hand. So it makes us complete our work faster with less effort. Communication. It enables us to communicate with people worldwide through the internet, phones, and social media. This ability to communicate easily is vital for sharing information and staying connected with others. So it helps us communicate with people worldwide through the internet, social media, phones. It makes communication easier. Education. Technology is a valuable tool in education. It provides access to online resources, educational software, and e-learning platforms, making learning more engaging and accessible. Right? So technology is important for education. Healthcare. Medical Technology has improved healthcare in many ways. Advanced equipment and diagnostic tools have helped doctors to make accurate diagnoses and treatments. Telemedicine allows remote consultations, making healthcare more accessible. Transportation. Transportation technology has made it easier for travel to long distance quickly and safely. Think of airplanes, trains, automobiles. This has expanded opportunities for business, tourism, and connecting with people worldwide. It has made transportation easier and safer. Entertainment. Technology has transformed entertainment. It brings us movies, video games, music, and more. Streaming service provide access to vast array of content at our fingertips. Agriculture. Technology has changed farming. Tractors, irrigation systems, and genetically modified crops have increased food production, helping to feed our growing global population. Economic growth. Technology drives economic growth. It leads to the creation of new industries and job opportunities, contributing to a nation's prosperity. Innovation. Technology encourages innovation. People come up with new ideas and inventions to improve our quality of life and open up possibilities we might not have imagined before. Global connection. Technology connects people and cultures worldwide. It promotes understanding and cooperation among different nations and can help address global issues such as humanitarian crises and pandemics. So technology is essential for solving problems, increasing efficiency, improving communication, enhancing education, advancing healthcare, and more. It is a powerful tool that shapes our daily lives and the world we live in, making it an integral part of the modern age. So these are the importance of technology we have mentioned, right? Good. Okay, so let's look at the modern day technology versus ancient times. Modern day technology, digital revolution. In modern times, we are experiencing a digital revolution. Computers, smartphones, and the internet are central to our lives. We can instantly access vast amounts of information and communicate with anyone, anywhere in the world. Right? Transportation. Modern transportation includes cars, airplanes, high-speed trains, and ships. These vehicles are much faster and safer than the transportation methods in the ancient times, like horse-drawn carts or sailing ships. Medicine. Healthcare has been transformed by modern technology. We have advanced diagnostic tools, life-saving medications, and sophisticated surgical procedures. Ancient medicine relied on herbs, rituals, and limited surgical knowledge. So these are modern day technology. Communication. We can communicate in real time through video calls, text messages, and social media. In ancient times, communication was limited to writing letters or messengers traveling by foot or horses. Entertainment. Modern entertainment includes video games, virtual reality, and streaming service. In ancient times, entertainment was based on storytelling, music, and physical games. So we're seeing the difference, right? Then in the ancient times, tools. Ancient civilization invented tools like wheel, plow, and simple machines, which were remarkable for their time. These inventions revolutionized agriculture and construction. Agriculture. Ancient farming methods like irrigation and crop rotation were crucial for food production. They laid the foundation for modern agricultural practice. Architecture. Ancient engineering and architectural feats, such as the pyramids in Egypt and the Great Wall of China, showcase remarkable technological achievements. Writing and printing. Ancient writing systems such as cuneiform and hieroglyphics were early forms of communication. The invention of printing press in the Mid Ages paved the way for the mass distribution of knowledge. Navigation. Ancient sailors and explorers used stars and landmarks for navigation. They ventured into uncharted waters, making significant discoveries. So modern day technology has seen immense advancements in digital technology, transportation, healthcare, and communication. These innovations have made our lives more connected, convenient, and efficient. However, ancient technology was was innovative for its time, with inventions like the wheel, agriculture techniques, and early forms of writing that laid the groundwork for technological progress we enjoy today. Right? So now we have known about the modern day technology versus the ancient times. We have, right? So in today's video, we have talked about the meaning of technology, the importance of technology, and modern day technology versus ancient times. And we understood everything we talked about, right? We did, right? That is good. So we are going to be looking at our assignment on today's lesson. What is technology? Explain the importance of technology. Compare between modern technology and ancient technology. I'm sure we are going to be able to answer this because we learned about them in today's lesson, right? Good.